friends, this is Renee from Little Village Homestead, and today I'm going to show you how we make an Amish poor man's steak. So, let's get busy. Okay friends, we are back. And I've got a helper today. Tell them who you are.
Mercedes.
And smile pretty. I got invited to, what is it? Granola?
Granola with grandparents.
Yep, to her school, Papa and I. So we get to do that on the 23rd of October. We're excited. Okay, so let's get started.
When it's Tuesday.
Yeah. Today we are going to make a real nice Amish poor man's steak. That's what it is. Okay, so we need to get a little mixer here, whisk, and I gotta grab that green.
I'll get it.
Can you get? I don't think you can get it.
Yes, I can.
I think it's hard to get a hold of. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna let you pour the milk in, but we're gonna start out. You can use cream of mushroom soup, but we're using cream of
chicken soup.
Yep, cream of chicken. We are going to use cream of chicken soup because that's all Papa eats. Papa don't like mushrooms.
Or me either.
So we got 2 cans of that. Okay.
Yep.
You want to get it all out of there because you don't waste it. Okay.
How would it taste?
Can you throw those in the garbage for Nana?
Yes, I can.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now you can pour 1 cup of milk in here. Yep, pour it right in. Oh, beautiful.
Then put it in the sink.
Yep, set it right up by the sink, yep. And I'll put my spatula in it so it stays okay. And then we're gonna, you want to sprinkle a little parsley in there? Tell them just a
little bit of parsley.
Probably a good teaspoon. Sprinkle it all in there. Yep, a good teaspoon of parsley.
And then I'm going to stir.
You're going to stir it. I'm going to put a little pepper in it. But we're not going to put salt in it because why?
It doesn't taste that good.
No, it's real salty to begin with.
Yeah.
The soup is a little salty, but we got to have lots of pepper because pepper's good, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yeah, you stir.
Let me mix this a little better. And then we're going to set this aside and then the work begins.
Yep.
We're going to have fun with this.
Yeah.
You haven't been here to cook with me in a while, have you?
Yep.
Did you miss me?
Yes,
I missed you. Okay, there's our gravy that we're going to pour over our hamburger steaks.
Yep.
So we're going to set that aside. There's a chunk of chicken in there. We're going to set this
aside.
over here, yep.
And then we're going to do...
Alright, don't do that yet.
I'm not. I'm just
I need these scissors up here.
Scissors.
Yep.
You better not cut this.
Now, I thawed this out. This was froze. My burger. We got a pound of burger here.
Yeah.
And we're going to fool Papa because he doesn't like turkey burger, but he can't tell the difference when we mix it in with burger, can he? He doesn't know the difference. So we're going to use a pound of hamburger, and folks, you can use all hamburger if you want. You can use hamburger and sausage, but we're going to use hamburger and turkey burger because that's good stuff.
And it smells good too.
Okay, so we got that. Now you're going to want to crack that egg in there. Crack it real good. We don't want no shells in there. Look at that. You did beautiful. Oh, it's a double yolker. Go figure. We got a double yolker, but it's probably those that double yolk is probably the same size as a jumbo egg, and we always use jumbo eggs. So, okay, now this we're going to put a little bit of garlic powder in there. You got to get away from the bowl so they can see. Actually, we'll put it right over here.
Yeah.
We're going to put a little bit of garlic powder in here. Oh, maybe a half a teaspoon or so.
So it tastes good.
Yeah.
And I'll put that in.
Yeah, put a couple pinches. Not like, a little bit more than that. Nice big pinch.
What?
Put another one. Yeah, this is going to be about a teaspoon total. Good. Put one more in there. One more for good measure. There you go. Okay.
And so it tastes good.
Yep. And we're going to put a little parsley in that one too. So we'll give you another little. And this is parsley from our garden that we dried, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
It's good stuff. Okay, so now we're going to do...
I'm going to do that.
Yep, you can pour this in there. 1 package of onion soup mix. And I got to grab our cracker crumbs. I forgot them.
Yes, she did.
Okay.
Not always forget stuff.
I always forget stuff.
I just told them that.
Toss that in the garbage.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to use about a 1/2 cup of cracker crumbs.
And I'm going to put it in. I'm putting it in.
Ooh, let's see. We're going to do...
Me put it.
There's a third. We're going to do 2/3. That's probably going to be good. I'll give you one more. These are our homemade cracker crumbs too, aren't they?
Yes.
You're going to grow up and be a good cook like Nana, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Hey, you like Nana's cooking. Okay. Got to keep your fingers out of there. I always catch you guys with your fingers in there. Okay, now, Nana will do this part because I got to put gloves on to mix it all up.
Oh, yeah.
Otherwise, it makes a big mess.
Oh,
Oh, we got to pour a little tiny dot of milk in here.
Ow.
So, probably about a 1/4 cup of milk. There.
And then, when Nana needs it,
Now, we got, let's make sure.
it's
We
nice.
got all the burger in there. We got the Italian seasoning. We got a little garlic and pepper and parsley and an egg and breadcrumbs.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're just
Now
gonna mix
see
this.
how good
all
it
up.
mixes.
Yep.
And you also need gloves on.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't
You
like.
cannot do it bare-handed.
You can. You just have a mess. And Nana don't like messies. Okay. Isn't that looking nice?
Yes,
Get
it
that
does.
all mixed up.
Is Papa sleeping?
Yeah. Yep. Of course. Papa's taking his afternoon nap.
This is not in the
It is. It's 2:24 in the afternoon. Okay, we're going to
Ow.
set this aside here. I got to put these up.
No.
Okay, so we got to put a little bit because we do got turkey.
We need
And turkey
all
is
of
real
it.
dry, so we're going to put just a little bit of oil in there because we washed it and we didn't put any more oil in it to season it, so because we're going to use it right away. So, now you got to toss those out. Now I got to get another set of gloves on so that I can patty up our meat.
Yes.
And then I got to roll it in the flour and then you get to fry it.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to brown our burgers.
And Nana, when can I do something?
As soon as it...
What are we going to do with that?
No, I'm going to do that because that makes a mess. Okay, we're going to patty these. Not that big, but patty these in nice burgers. About like so, see?
Mm-hmm.
About like that. And we're going to put it in the flour. Okay?
Okay. Hey,
Set
Nana,
that
can I
right
put
there.
some gloves on?
Nope, you don't need gloves on because you're not doing this part.
No, so I could like flip it when... Oh, are you going to use that to flip
Yeah,
it?
you're going to flip it with it. You're not going to touch it with your bare hands. Okay, so we're going to put this
In there.
in there. Okay?
So a couple of...
Then we're going to put this one in here.
In...
Don't do that. Don't smash it down. Don't hit the camera.
I'm doing that.
Yep, don't smash it down. It's good. Just leave it cook. We're just going to brown it. We're not cooking it all the way through. We're
Nope.
just going to brown it.
Nana, it sounds like one of them should get flipped over. Do you hear it?
Mm-hmm. Sizzling. Yep, it's supposed to sizzle. Okay.
Now
Now
three
we're gonna
at a
have to-
time.
3 at a
friends.
time. That's it. That's all that's going to fit in there. But I'm going to get a plate. Because I'm going to roll the rest of these up.
And then we're going to cook it.
Yep.
Now, you want me to flip one?
Nope, you're good. Nope, don't flip them yet. And I'll have to help you flip them because there's quite a few there. There's some more burger there. Get a little bit more on here. This is going to be good. Spread that around. My gloves are too big. Okay, there's the one, and this is going to go over there.
Now, did you use scissors?
Put that in the sink. You can't lick that and use it again. Shame, shame, shame. We don't do that. I'll get the other spatula. The purple one out of here.
Ooh, purple. Ooh, that's not beautiful.
And I'll show you how I do this. Just going to flip it real fast. See that? And you can flip that last one. Don't lick your fingers, just flip it. You get it okay?
I don't know.
Here, I'll help you. Go
Go
ahead this way. I'll get these ones.
Yeah. Oh, you're breaking it.
Nope, they'll flatten out again. Okay. I'm going to turn them down just a hair. A little bit more. We're just going to brown the other side and
then we're going to let it cook a little bit more.
yep, we got to go get a glass pan. So we're going to, friends, we're going to finish these up and brown them up and put them in a glass pan and then we'll be back.
Bye.
Friends, we're back. Tell now what we're going to do is we are going to pour our gravy. We got all our, tell them we got all our burgers fried. All our hamburger steaks are fried up and they're nice looking. Now we are going to just simply pour
The soup right over.
all over the top. Yep. Just like so. Now you could always garnish this with some green onions. I'm not going to
Because some of the family doesn't like it.
right, some of the family don't like it. So that's what we're going to do. But we are going to put a little extra pepper on the top because they do love that.
And more pepper.
Actually, I'm going to spread this around so it gets on all of these.
And more pepper.
These are going to be beautiful.
And they are going to taste good.
Mm-hmm. All right. Look at there. All right, so this is going to bake uncovered.
25 minutes.
You were close, 30 minutes at 350 degrees, so we do need to set our oven. We got it set for 350, so as soon as the oven beeps at us, it means it's preheated, and we can stick that in there, and then we're going to bake it for 30 minutes, and tell them when it's all done, we'll be back.
When it's all done, we'll be back.
Hey friends, our stuff is done, and look how delicious it looks. I'm going to scoop some up, but first, I'm going to put some potatoes on my husband's plate. Okay, now we're going to give him a nice, beautiful steak on top of that. And we're going to put a little bit of our gravy on here. And there we have it. Take a look at that. Let me put this. Take a look at how beautiful that turned out. That is absolutely simple, divine, it's delicious. It smells wonderful. So, there you have it, friends. Another easy meal. So, thanks for watching. We're going to go have dinner.